What is going on, guys? It's your boy Sensation. Welcome you guys back to my channel. A little lunar graph update for this evening. We are currently getting a breakout. If you saw my previous video earlier on today, we were sort of in this like descending line where we've come all the way down on the green line I've got here. Well, unfortunately, we tested it here multiple times this morning and we got a huge rejection under my target of 17,000, and we fell all the way down to like, what was that, 12,000, the 13,000, 12,000. But we now have a confirmed breakout, which is great, and we've had it confirmed for over 2 hours. We had 2-hour candles here, and we actually touched on the third one, breaking through. We did break through on the second one, but on the third one we broke through, broke past the 17,000 level, which was one of my targets, and now we're on our way to test this level here, which is sort of like a resistance level. If you see how many times here we've actually touched this top level here, so this is actually like another little resistance. It looks like though we are gearing up to make a solid run all the way up to 44,000. On my graph, I've now marked in the all-time high at 59,000. If you guys are not aware, at the moment they're currently initiating the burn process in the background, so the developers are now doing the burn on the Luna coin. So we should see actual more bullish momentum now that the supply is now coming down. Obviously it's not coming down really fast. I'm going to try and work out for tomorrow's video the exact amount that's being burnt roughly every hour, so we can calculate when we might see that $1 peg value back on this coin, which would be super cool to find out when we finally reach $1. Now obviously this is an all-time high. This is like all-time high after the depegging of UST and obviously the big dump, but so far that as an all-time high 59,000 is really cool. This sort of ascending wedge is sort of irrelevant now. I might delete it in tomorrow's video, so this will be the last chance of possibly seeing that. I don't think it's really relevant anymore. We're more relevant on looking at these price targets now, hitting the 44,000 again and seeing if we can use that as like some sort of support. I think if we can hit that and it be some sort of support, that'd be really good. Now if we go and have a look at the coin market cap of Luna right now, you will not see that it has come down by very much at all. Obviously you can see on the graph here we've had a nice little pump. The supply is still crazy high. I don't know when it's going to start showing that it's coming down on here, but if you see my video this morning, if you haven't, go and have a look at it, because I actually show you some wallet addresses that are being burned right now. Like they're going through and burning on the developers' wallets. They're actually buying, you know, this excess coin and burning it. So that is pretty cool. The circulating supply is still really high, but what worries me is the market cap. I'm wanting to see tomorrow this to be a positive like percentage, because right now it's pretty scary that the market cap is actually lower than the volume. So that's really worrying to me, that the market cap's lower than the volume. It means more money's being traded than what there actually is of the coin, like in wallets, in people's wallets. So obviously there's a huge supply, but it's not owned by anybody. But the actual like market caps of like what's being circulated around. Let's have a little look at UST and see what is happening with UST. It's still totally decoupled. We have had a bounce on it though. It did bottom out at, let's have a look, today it did bottom out at 9 cents. Really, that low? Like, this is crazy. It's just super I've never seen a coin just go that badly down. The total supply is still growing as well. I don't know why they're still minting Terra Luna, like Terra USD, sorry, but they are still doing the UST. It's still being minted. I don't know why. I think hopefully they're going to try and decouple the two from each other, because I don't know why they're still minting it. They've stopped minting on the Luna though. If we go across to their Twitter, they have actually wrote a little article as well, which is pretty cool. Like sort of saying how much money they have in assets, and they have had a lot. I'm pretty sure, yeah, BTC was 80 80,000. The Luna Foundation had 80,000 Bitcoin, and now it's down to 303 or 313, which is crazy low. So a lot of it has been burned. It looks like there's actually more news that they've come out with now. So there was never any deal for any insiders to exit. LFG funds were merely used squarely within its mandate to help protect the UST peg. Okay, fair enough. Terra operators bailed out. All right, so it's just like some FUD news that's going around. Foundation is looking to use its remaining assets to compensate remaining users. Right, so what they've decided here in this article, which is all on here, yeah, see, they've only got 313 BTC left now, so that's crazy. But what they're looking to do with the remaining money that they do have is put it into good use and give it to Luna holders that have really small wallet sizes of Luna, of a UST, sorry. So if you have a small wallet and you don't have like thousands and thousands and thousands, they're going to try and compensate the smaller people first before they go and compensate the bigger people. So that sort of makes sense, because there's going to be more people that are going to get 100% of their money back sooner rather than later. So that's a positive thing for small holders, because the big guys, they can just work out with the big guys anytime, you know, when to like reimburse them. So that's fine, you know, because the small people are more than likely, you know, not that wealthy. They're actually considered, like, what I've seen some of the Luna people say is like they're the poorest in the community. Whereas the wealthy, you know, if they've got that much money to put in, and we always say to only invest what you're willing to lose, the wealthiest that have put a load in, you know, they've got a load of extra money. Like, it's probably nothing to them. So whereas the poorest are more likely to take a risk and put all their assets in on a limb to try and get some money. So crazy amount of Bitcoin has gone right down to pretty much nothing now. So they're using their reserves now to pay those people off. And like I said, the burn has started now. If we look up Luna burn, there is so many images of like the Luna actually being burnt now. If I can't find one on here, I actually posted one earlier on my Twitter account. Let me see if I can show you an image. So here, this is one of the Luna accounts, and it is literally burning consistently a load of coin. So it's consistently being burnt, which is really cool that they're doing that now. It's about time that they actually initiated the burn. So that's really good. I'll try and find you the address where you can go and see that. Because there was like a website that you could go onto and actually see the burn. I'm going to see if I can find it. It's this website here. I think it's called, what's it called? Poo Charts or something. I think it was called like Poo Charts. Let me just search that up. I swear down it's called Poo Charts. Poo Charts or Poo Coin or something. Yeah, Poo Coin app. Is this the one? Pretty sure this is the one. You enter the token name, which you type in Luna. Luna wormhole on here, and I think there was a way that you could basically look at like all the wallets and stuff and what was actually going on with it, but if not, I'll have to find it in another video. There was a way to actually see it and see what's going on with like all the developers stuff, so I'm not too sure if we're able to get that up. Our wallets, do we type it in here, Luna, or there was a way to actually find all of these wallets and what they were doing. Transactions, contracts, is that a way to look at it? No, I don't know, guys. I'll have to find it for a future video and hopefully try and get it to you guys. Tools, maybe? No, not on there. Premium, I'm not going to pay for anything. I can't remember what it was, but there was a way to do it, to go and see what was basically going on the Luna token. I'll have to find that chart specifically for you guys. But if you have enjoyed today's video, make sure you definitely drop a like. That's really bugging me now that I can't find it, but it was here somewhere. But I'll catch you on tomorrow's video. Hopefully this price continues to go up. If not, expect a couple of touches back to the 17,000 level. And once we've hit the 17,000 level, hopefully this works as support now, so that we can continue to break up. If not, we're going to retest this green line here and keep going below it and riding it down, and then obviously this will become, the further away we do get from the 17,000, it's going to be more and more stronger resistance over time. But my goal for at least tomorrow is hopefully 44,000. and then hopefully we can make our way all the way up to the all-time high of 59,000, which would be absolutely crazy. But the brand process is started. I'll get that proper link for you guys tomorrow so I can show you it. And yeah, hopefully you've had a fantastic day. Catch you on my next video. Keep safe, guys. Don't invest more than you're willing to lose. You need to remember that, and this is not financial advice. Peace out, guys.